What's going on, everybody? This is Wee Man from the Superbat Show, from the Superbat channel, and today we're going to be doing a wood carving for my cousin Gran. For those of you that know him as Gran, he has a YouTube channel named GQGaming, Grand Quest Gaming. It's kind of slick. I like it. But, I mean, if you don't know who he is, up here will be a video of what he does. I had him send me over his logo so I could do a piece for him. It'd be nice. So, I'm gonna get into that. It's gonna be real quick. Wanted to make this real quick. If you guys like this kind of things, please hit that thumbs up button, and let's get into it.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny.
They call me a god.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Just do some sanding, sand down little pebbles, little Scooby snacks, sand in between the lines. But as you can see, let me just focus it, bring it back some. There you go. That's the initial carving of it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going around the edges and smoothing this out, and then I'm gonna go in with probably go in again and redo the lines. If some lines if I sand a little bit too much, I'm gonna try not to. But yeah, I mean, we'll put it side by side. Yeah, carving will be here. The picture will be here. Honestly, the only thing that I think I changed that was different was maybe the eye. This eye right here is a little different because on the picture it has like a teardrop, and I can't do those yet. I'm not that good. I mean, I'm good, as you can see, but I'm not an expert. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot of sanding. And I'll bring you back when I'm done. Alright, real quick, I messed up. I really messed up. I didn't have my recording software on while I stained it and painted it. So you guys didn't get to see that. But I stained it and I painted it. And it looks pretty. It's cute. I like it. I'll lay it down so the whole... It has shine on it and everything. But yeah. Stained it, painted it. Tried to make it look like his, tried to keep the colors on the skull. And then the eyes as the same thing as the actual logo. Now that I think about it, I should have painted the headset so you could really see it more, but other than that, it's cool. I like it. If you want one like this, well, not like this, but if you want your own logo on a piece of wood that you can, you know what I mean, set up, make it look cool, just let me know. I'll get it done. Something simple like this, it'll be done. But I guys hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I made it real quick for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.